Hello, good morning. This is your Seryosong Sintonado. Okay, ngayon ay March 9, 2025 and the time is 8:45 in the morning. Hindi sana ako magpo-post ng video ngayon kasi Sunday. Gusto kong mag-video okay lang, pero hindi kasi ako makampante at hindi ako tahimik dun sa nabasa ko at napanood ko na a certain congresswoman from Marikina named Stella Kimbo, na sa pagkakaalam ko siya ngayon ang chairman ng Committee on Finance, tama ba? Budget and Finance sa House of the Representative. May napanood akong video kasi na si Congresswoman, according to the video, si Congresswoman Stella Kimbo daw ay pinagalitan ang Solicitor General. This is regarding doon sa pagpapatawag ng Supreme Court doon para kuha ang kanyang statement regarding doon sa mga issue ngayon about sa controversial na 2025 budget, yung GAA budget na pinasa ng president. Ito daw, according to the videos na napanood ko, both sa Facebook at saka sa YouTube, pinagalitan daw ang Solicitor General bakit daw hindi tinabla ang kautusan ng Supreme Court na maipatawag siya. So, ibig sabihin, hindi kumontra ang Solicitor General sa pagpapatawag ng Supreme Court kay Congresswoman Kimbo. So, napaisip tuloy ako. Sino ba ang mas may mataas na katungkulan? Ang Solicitor General ba o si Congresswoman Kimbo? So, nag-research ako and according to the articles na nabasa ko regarding doon, kung sino ang mas may mataas na katungkulan, eto yung nabasa ko, both Meta, Google, and Wikipedia. In the Philippine government, the Solicitor General and a congressman hold important positions, but they serve different roles and have distinct ranks. A congressman, also known as a member of the House of Representatives, is an elected official who represents a legislative district. Baka mamaya may pumuna. Okay, they are part of the legislative branch and play a crucial role in creating laws. Creating laws daw ha, hindi magpamudmud ng pera ng gobyerno. On the other hand, the Solicitor General is the chief lawyer of the government and head of the office of the Solicitor General. They represent the government in various courts and provide legal advice to government agencies. In terms of salary grade, the Solicitor General has a higher rank with a salary grade of 31, comparable to the cabinet secretary. While a congressman's role is focused on legislation, the Solicitor General's role is centered on legal representation, and advice. In terms of hierarchy, the Solicitor General has a higher position in the government, but both roles are vital to the functioning of the Philippine government. Sana po maliwanag na po yan ha. Mas mataas po ang katungkulan ng Solicitor General sa isang congresswoman. Kaya, sana po lumugar din kayo paminsan-minsan sa inyong tamang lugar. Huwag nyo nga anderin ang mas mataas ang posisyon sa inyo. Okay po? Ito pong inyong seryosong sintenado. Bye-bye!